Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for November 2022. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the November 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the November 2022 release. We have 4 new features in this release, and 1 feature will be end of life as of this release. The first new feature is Open a New Product Request by Specific URL. With this new feature, you will be able to navigate to a specific product using URL filtering. For example, you can use these new URLs to share a specific product with one of your colleagues, or you can use this URL to link directly to a product from an internet web page. Our second new feature is Visibility Disabled Users in Managed Users and Managed Products. This new feature shows disabled user accounts next to the already visible enabled user accounts in Managed Users and Managed Products overview. Now you'll be able to request or return products for not only enabled accounts, but also for disabled accounts. For example, in the HelloID pre-onboarding phase, a user account is already created but is still disabled because the employment starting date is still in the future. Our third new feature is Add support for providing a product action name using API. The Product Actions API endpoint now allows you to specify the new product task's name rather than using a system default name for each product task. This simplifies the process of creating and configuring a HelloID product using the API calls. Our final new feature is Add the source property to the product request for API. Source property is already available for the product assignment API endpoints. Now we have support for the source property using the product request API endpoint. Using the source property enables you to identify the source of the product request or the product assignment. This way, you can make sure you only manage products that were requested or assigned using a specific source. For example, HelloID provisioning. Please note that as of this release, the built-in delegated forms are end of life. This means that these forms are no longer available for use. Clients using the built-in delegated forms have been informed and will now use the configurable delegated forms instead. Let's demonstrate these new features. We have opened the Self-Service Products overview. When clicking on the product Adobe Photoshop, the Product Request panel is opened and the browser URL is updated. This new URL contains a direct link to this specific product. You can share this URL with one of your colleagues, or use it, for example, in an internet web page to link directly to this product. When closing this model, the browser URL is updated back to the product overview. You can also right-click on the product and use the copy link address, or open the link in a new window or tab. For our second new feature, we will navigate to Management and Managed Products. Here we still have our product overview, and when opening, for example, the Adobe Illustrator product, the product model is opened and we have an overview of the users we can request the product for. This overview now not only contains enabled user accounts, but also disabled user accounts. The disabled user accounts are indicated with the tag Inactive. This enables you to identify disabled user accounts, and it also allows you to request or return a product for disabled user accounts. We will now close this window and navigate to Managed Users. Here we have added the same tag named Inactive to identify disabled user accounts, and also here it enables you to request or return products for all your managed users regardless of the disabled or enabled state of the user account. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.